Hello from McNally Motors Longford. Just like to show you this 202 Corolla hatchback Luna Sport, finished in black over pearl red, stunning colour, 16-inch multi-spoke alloys, daytime running lights, LED front fogs. This car is in the low tax bracket. Tax is $190 a year. Remote center locking, electric windows, electric heated mirrors, loads of boot space with a Toyota case safety kit supplied. Inside in the back we have ISOFIX seats and center armrest with cup holders. And here in front we have a 3-spoke leather steering wheel, multi-function, touchscreen radio with reverse camera, automatic gearbox, center armrest with cup holders. This car also has lane assist among other extras as standard. So that's our 202 Corolla Hybrid Luna Sport. If you want more information, contact our sales team here on 04333 45621 at McNally Motors. Thank you.